incoming wind has tree removal crews and firefighters expecting a lot of calls tonight and tomorrow.
And that's already happening in some spots. Kayla Green joining us live now. Kayla, how is it out there right now?
Yeah, Maureen, it's not too bad out here in the city right now, but the ice that we've had over the past couple of days is adding a lot of extra weight to the trees, which has caused some to already come down. Add in low temperatures, wind and rain, and you have the perfect combination for damage. Brockport is seeing some of the worst of it. The ice was supposed to thaw today, but Jeremy Arnold of Arnold's Tree Service tells me some areas like Brockport didn't see that at all.
There's probably double the amount of weight on these trees and ice, and they're not really they're all rooted properly, but some of these trees aren't. Some of these trees are going to have structural failure real quick with just a little bit of wind.
Brian Krozik also works in the business. As the wind approaches, he's worried.
In storms, all bets are off. Anything can happen. And there's a lot of hidden dangers. Trees can be under pressure, under tension. The wood reacts differently. It can be very dangerous, especially for inexperienced people.
A reminder to call professionals for help.
If you do lose power, obviously 2 o'clock in the morning when it's raining and windy isn't the time to go investigate what happened. So I would wait till the morning, make sure it's safe. If there's down power lines, we want to make sure that they're staying away from it. We'll check the house to make sure there's no electrical issues, just to make sure that when we leave, the house is left in good condition.
Hernandez's best advice: be smart, be safe, and stay inside. Hernandez also tells me that they think most of the wind gusts are going to be happening overnight, which means a lot of their calls are going to come in the morning. So he recommends for people to get up a little bit earlier than you normally would, just to make sure everything's okay with your power and all that before you start your day. Adam, Maureen?
All right, Kayla, thank you. And a reminder tonight to download the free News 8 app. You can get minute-by-minute weather and the latest delays and cancellations. It'll probably be very important once daylight hits in the morning.